Today I'm going to be reading the next section, section 3 of the butterfly text. The pupa hardens as it dries. Inside the pupa, a caterpillar's body changes. After about 2 weeks, the pupa cracks open. A butterfly pulls itself out of the pupa. Its body is wet and folded. Its wings slowly open and dry in the sun. So now that I read section 3, your job is to think about what are some things that were repeated in the text and what is the main topic of this section. Then you can go ahead and add important details into your seesaw assignment. Hello?
What are you doing over there?